How to find help settings on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find help settings on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. As you see here, after you click on your profile icon and you click on these three lines, uh, click settings and privacy and scroll down and you will see help. Click on it, and now as you see you can manage help settings. You can report a problem, you can see account status, you can manage help center, you can also manage privacy and security help, you can manage also support request settings. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.